Hello and welcome how to solve this Sengso magic column cube. It's an easy to rotate puzzle, very interesting. I'll give you two hints for solving this puzzle. Hint number one is you don't need any algorithm, and hint number two is there are several different ways to solve it. You can solve it by solving the rotors or the cylinders, but I prefer to solve it layer by layer. And I'll show you how to do this. So starting with the white face, I'm searching for the white parts. Here it is. It's white and red. So let's go to the red face, to the red rotor, and put it in. And so white green is the next to solve. Here it is. If it's hidden behind, you have to search it and insert it. Okay, layer number two is this layer here. So starting with this one, it's almost done. And next is the yellow, the purple and red one. It's over here. If I insert it here, it's not correct, but I need to rotate this cylinder and bring it in, and so the red and the green are solved. So red and gray, I can see it here. Oh, that helps because there are two, but if it's hidden, it's no problem. You can find it anywhere on the cube. If it's here, you bring it out to the upper layer, rotate it on the upper layer, and insert it on the right place. Oh, and the last of these three, here is the green one, is already solved, and the blue-orange is the last to solve. So, and now our second layer is done. What about the third layer? The third layer is already done, because the only thing we need to do is put these pieces on the right spots. So it's easy to solve and you're finished with this puzzle. So subscribe, and thank you for joining this video, and as always, have fun cubing.